What up, what up? What's going on, y'all? We back at it with another one. I got a couple little things I gotta do. So I have to fix my electric hoist here. It's broke. So I got another one to throw up on there. I was gonna buy a new one, but I had this one lying around over there in my messy pile of things, and I found it. So I'm like, oh, okay, I don't have to buy one. I could use that. So we're gonna replace that because it broke on me when I had the load. I had to normally like get something and hit that in, but we have that part taken care of. Then we have another thing. Is this go to my rear air tanks on my trailer. Back off over there. There's a fitting, the brass fitting. Let's zoom out. That brass fitting goes off on the back of that little silver part you see, and it keeps cracking. I replaced it before, but I put a thin one on there. I think that one day I accidentally hit that and it bent it, and when there's air in there you can hear it seeping out pretty darn heavy. So I have that, and there's an updated valve or a different valve that they say work is the same. So we're gonna go and replace that. Mainly the brass fitting is what I'm after replacing. So I bought a couple of those brass fittings. Then these little keyway things to go here on these. I want to replace them on these because when I open the door, that one on this side is very close, and that'll put a ding in the door. I don't want that. So when you open the driver's door over here, the door is close, and it'll put a ding in there. So I'm gonna replace those with those rings. Put a ring on this one here, and that's pretty much it. I might replace it with these two. Put the rings over here, but these are pretty much serving its purpose. So I might not bother that until that breaks. And then I also have this little buffing kit. This is a super shine polish kit. Tweaking, y'all, man. Seen this thing, so I'm like, ooh, I'm gonna get one of those. Cause look at those wheels. I'm gonna start out polishing my wheels. Each one of them is like that. So I bought the buffer. It comes with the buffers, the polish, and some metal polish, I guess you would wipe on. That's the little thread safety fitting flange that fits in between those two. Then right here is some sandpaper. See here, we'll just open it like that. That's my sandpaper. Different grits in there, 180, 60, 240, I guess, or something like that. Sandpaper. They say you gotta have your mask, so I had a mask. For the most part, that's gonna polish that. I'm gonna tweak the wheels first. I have some center caps, chrome center caps to put on. That goes on the front of this right here. There. But I have to find some blue spray paint, so when I take these off, I'm gonna spray that blue, and the lug nuts, I'm gonna spray it blue just to give it a little pop once I clean the wheels, have them nice and shiny. It's my theory. And then while I'm tweaking after I get all that done, this is aluminum. I'm gonna try to polish that up, give it a little spice with this stainless steel thing. You can polish that and clean that pretty darn easy. I'm gonna tweak bit by bit. This ain't an overnight thing. Then this here is aluminum. I might polish that just playing around after I get my wheels done. That's the main thing. Then I have this wash kit. Oh, this is the buffer, DeWalt. They go there. use that with the buffing thing. I can't find my sander, so I have to go to Harbor Freight. I'm gonna get me a cheapy sander to sand the wheels, and I'm gonna get me another buffer from Harbor Freight. I don't have to spend that much money, and I'm using it just to do the wheels and stuff. I don't know why I did that DeWalt, because I was about to do a DeWalt or the Makita one, but I thought about it afterwards. This crap that I ordered from Amazon. Amazon to get you in trouble sometimes. And then this is some of the Stars and Stripes. Stars and Stripes. They soap. So when I give her a good wash with the foam cannons, the Stars and Stripes, you would use for the wash. This is the soaps. Some cat, I forgot where they from, but they had a soaping company. So this right here is the soap. It's a 2-part soap. So you put this one on with the foam cannon, then you'll spray this one on, the red one, with the foam cannon. So that's the Stars and Stripes. So that's why I got 2 cannons for each one, but I might need to buy another one for this heavy duty. This heavy duty is like a degreaser. If y'all can see it, yeah, degreaser. Then that's the touchless, is what the Stars and Stripe is. So you can spray it on, like when y'all go to the Blue Beacon and they don't really use the brush to clean it, you spray it on, and supposedly it cleans all that off. But I have the brush and stuff sitting over in the car. I should have brung that too. But I'm gonna spray the Stars and Stripe on to see how it is. Then the next time I spray it, I'm gonna scrub it. I'm gonna try to have it clean. But this heavy duty greaser it eats off, I guess, more of the grime, the grease. If you have oil leaks and stuff, it'll eat that off, help it clean it up a little better. So, you know, that's the Stars and Stripes. Then the degreaser. Then I have the snake oil. So the snake oil is like a touchless ceramic. So you would have that and you would spray it afterwards, which I probably need to get a foam cannon for that. You would put it in there and you spray it, and it's like a wax repellent. So once you clean it and stuff, you do that and you have your wax repellent, you should be able to be good. So the next time you wash it, you could just rinse it and it should come off a little easier. So they say that these Stars and Stripes, you can put it in one of those 5-gallon buckets and stretch it. So however you get those 5-gallon buckets, which I'm trying to get some of those when I end up going to like the dealers. That way I don't have to buy one. I'm cheap. Some people say it's called frugal, but if I can get it for free, then I'm gonna try to get it for free. Otherwise, I can go and spend $40 to, I think it was $52 just for the little 5-gallon bucket you lean on the side and you can have a spout on it. But if I can get it for the F, I'm gonna take it for the F. And I need, as you see, I got 3 of those right there, so I need 3 of those. If they $50 a piece, that's $1.50 for those. Not gonna work for me. I guess I would just have to measure it and pour it into whatever I pour it into. Those. And I think you could do it 3 to 1. Let's see what the ratio is on it. This is a 1 gallon. You can, oh, right there in the front, crash dummy. So yeah, you can mix those to whatever that say right there, I guess. But the owner dude that be posting this online, he be looking real good. He got me, y'all. That's what happens when you watch online too much. You start seeing that stuff and you thinking you can do it. And that's what happened. I was watching people do this. I'm like, oh, I could do it. There's a dude around here that charges like 75 or 85 or so a wheel, I believe. That's when he's having his sale. Normally it's like 110 a wheel. So I'm like, oh. And I'm only doing the outer ones, right? So that'll be 2, 4, and 5 that I'll be doing on mine, and then on the other side. So I'm only doing 10 wheels, mind you. But yeah, that's what I'm doing. What do we have here? Look at right there. Oh, co-worker done pulled up with a truck like mine. That's crazy. What? My goodness gracious. He got the blue letters on his. I've been telling them about it when I bought mine a long time ago. I was like, hey, they got a few of them up there. Y'all better go and get it. I guess he secretly went in there, shopped, got the damn thing. Look at what we have here. Oh my goodness gracious, y'all. Y'all can't tell me the Volvos is pretty darn fly. The room in there is pretty good. When you see the room, it's roomy in there compared to a Peterbilt. But what we have here, look at the shine on that. The hood part. His grill is in better shape than mine. I can tell you that much. If y'all go look at some of my previous videos, his grill is not broken. Look at that. That's brand new. The grill is in good shape. My goodness gracious. What we have here. Look at it. See there, he can use polishing, but his wheels is in better shape than mine. What? Pulled up with the Volvo on us. What's going on? Tell the people how you like it.
Stop it, man. Stop
Man.
it. Stop it, man. Stop it.
See, he got an air horn. I'm gonna open yours up real quick. Listen to his horn. Then I'm gonna take y'all over there to mine. Listen to my horn. My horn is nothing like that, man. What the heck? That little piece I just showed y'all, I don't even have that. Y'all about to crack up. My horn sound like we can't even really say. It don't even sound like it need help. I be driving on the freeway, you know how little kids be giving you that little toot toot sign? I be so butt hurting and shy. See, I don't have that horn there like he had. This is the regular horn. This is my air horn. Crazy, huh? Crazy. But yeah, man, y'all stay tuned. And let me go on ahead and fix this air leak and this switch. Then I'll get back to y'all. But this is another little tweak that I'm gonna end up doing. Is polishing and using some of this stars and stripes. All this stuff together, I think I probably spent close to a G. A little dummy. That's all it is. I'm crazy. I didn't really need this crap, but that's what happens when you watch the internet too much. You think you can do stuff. So I figure, hell, I'm gonna try it. Worst comes, it don't really work out right with me. But it might. So I just have to take the wheels off, sand them up. One day when I'm not really doing nothing, preferably on the weekend when there's not a lot of work, I could take them off, take it home, sand it, or sit here all day long, sand it, and then buff them. But there you go. Stars and stripes, some heavy duty, snake oil, the DeWalt buffer, Zephyr polish, sanding paper, some what do you call these things? Foam cannons, the mask, my center caps for the front, and my switch. And then back there, my air tanks. So let me go on ahead and start that process. And y'all stay tuned. I am going to probably do a time lapse of me doing this. So y'all can go on ahead and stay tuned while I get to that, y'all. Over and out. Don't forget to like. You can subscribe for sure. Let's get the numbers up, and we'll go from there. All right.